Okay, just a short one today. I have no faith in myself that I can do this, so the goal is just to copy this very beat up Workbench 1.3 disk. So it's in, it's loaded. Go to Amiga Explorer, right click and connection serial, and then setup wizard. We've got null modem serial, COM1, Workbench 1.3. Now, what's all this? 19,200. I don't know how to change that on the Amiga. No idea. Please open. Oh, here we go. Instructions. That's odd. CLI. Alright. Always pays to do things 10 times. Shell. What if this actually works? Type. Open the shell and enter exactly, including the word type. So Shift T, T-Y-P-E, I'm doing this upside down. Type S-E-R dash dash R2 RAM R-A dash dash and set up. What if this actually works? And I've got a larger screen. Can't see a damn thing. Not you, this one. Please insert volume type, sir, in any drive. I spelled something wrong. Oh, I can't read that. I didn't put a space. Type, sorry, T-Y-P-E space. Spacebar's not working. Oh God, really? Arrow keys and the spacebar is not working. Oh God. KO, I've plugged in a different keyboard. Type space. Yeah. So that means you have to fix the other keyboard. Okay, I'm learning. Sir, S-E, I can spell. Sideways typing. Let's type sir, ... that works. The 7 and 8 key are missing on this one. And the numpad's missing, but we'll get there. 2 RAM dash dash ... whatever. Set. Whoops. Didn't feel like I pushed the right letter. Setup. Oh my God, what's going to happen? Nothing. Cool. Press return, select next on this window. Sorry. Null modem serial transfer. Imagine if this worked. I'm always fascinated when something actually works. If I wasn't insane a decade ago, I could have done this. But I've got a USB to serial and then an adapter from the small serial to the big Amiga size serial. Windows 10 picked up the drivers, no worries. Windows XP wanted the drivers for it. Yeah. In the same Amiga shell window, press Control C. Which window? That one? Control C. Nothing will appear to happen on the Amiga side, which is normal. After pressing Control C, select the next on this window. Okay. Good God, what if this works? Nothing happened. In the same, enter RAM setup. Okay, RAM dot set up. Right. Press return and then select next. Nothing. Be patient. Patience is a virtue. Error reading from serial port. So maybe I didn't push Control C. Do you need all the capital letters? Let's try it this way, using Amiga Explorer. Please work. Error reading from serial port. That's why reboot never worked. Ah, so I have to fix the keyboard. Why don't you just give me the red window? I hate OBS. Let's try it again. Setup wizard. Null modem. COM1. Version 1.3, serial 19 board. Okay. This 1.3's got a virus checker on it. How updated. I'm going to sacrifice Plan 9 from Outer Space pirated game to create some Workbench disks, because the worst thing that can happen is my Workbench 2.05 disks are stuck in Italy because of COVID. Can't send to New Zealand. So I've only got 1.3 to work with, and I have no faith. I've never done it before. I mean, I had a 1200. I didn't have any problems. I transdisced. If I could copy transdisk to a 500, type space sir to dot dot to RAM dot dot set up, enter. Press return. Please do not press any other key or move the mouse. Alright. No problem. Perhaps it's not a null modem. Maybe it's. Maybe there's a difference. I don't know. You can do it. In the same shell window, press Control C. Hold down Control, push C. Right, did that. Nothing will happen. After pressing Control C, push Next. RAM dot dot set up. I've got the number 8 for D. Press return, select next, do not press anything else. Yeah, when my 2.05 disk get here, we'll do this on the 600. I'm giving up for today. Done enough. Error reading from serial port. I don't understand what that is. The USB, I've changed it from COM3 to COM1 as per the instructions. Oh well, we'll have another go tomorrow. Thanks for watching.